Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. It is Sunday today and I am on the main shopping street here in Stockholm, which is called Drottninggatan, aka Queen Street. And the most common question I get in Stockholm is, Daniel, where is everyone? Like, is it always this quiet in Stockholm? So today I had to go to town. It is Sunday and there was so many people around here in the city, so I was like, yeah, let's check out where everyone is. Like, is it ever super busy in Stockholm? Well, if there is a time, a moment where there's a lot of people in Stockholm, then it's Sunday afternoon here when everyone's like out and about on a stroll in downtown, like around Central Station. So yeah, we've got Sergels Torg here on the right, and there's quite a lot of people as well there. It is around, I would say, 2:30 in the afternoon, and it gets dark really early right now at like 3:30 depending on the weather, if it's cloudy or rainy and things like that. But so it's actually getting quite dark. The sun is really low. This is one of the moments where it's like at its busiest. So yeah, that's why I wanted to go for a little short walk here today. As you can see, loads of people. Well, for Stockholm standards anyway. This is probably one of the most busy crossings here of the city. And yes, folks, the Christmas lights are up. Actually, let's go a little bit that way, and then I'll go around there. Saturday we had the event at Kungsträdgården where they put all the Christmas lights up. So as you can see here, a little Christmas tree and all the lights and everything. But of course I will do a proper Christmas light video later on when the snow has arrived, when it gets closer to Christmas. That should be loads of fun. But anyway, you're already getting a little sneak peek today. So we go up down to Central Station. There are not all the way, but I will go up down there and then go way back past Åhléns and stuff like that. This is actually the first day where it's actually a bit chilly. I'm actually wearing my beanie today because this morning was only +3, +2 degrees, so it was really cold. It's a bit better now, but it's still a bit chilly. So it's good to know that it's it was a bit weird because the other day it was like +15 degrees, and everyone was like, "What is this, folks?" It sounds more like it looks more like it's like spring almost instead of like winter's coming. But yeah, anyway, today feels more realistic. Bit more cold. It just feels really weird when they put up the Christmas lights and it's like +15 degrees and sunny, so it feels even warmer. Alright, so let's cross the street. So I hope everyone's doing great. Chat gang, what's up? Actually, not just say hi to the chat gang. I've noticed there's quite a lot of new people here in the channel as well recently. So welcome. As you probably have noticed or not, my name is Daniel and I do walks through Stockholm and occasionally other places as well. Well, I comment basically on everything I see. That's what I do. So I walk and I talk, the so-called walking tour, and I just go mainly around the city center of Stockholm and also occasionally the suburbs, and actually occasionally quite a lot. So that's what I do. And there's Christmas music at the background. That feels a bit early for my liking, but alright. Like in Sweden, they love that. Once the Christmas lights are up and all the shops change the decoration, it's Christmas music. But personally, I don't really want to hear that before the 1st of December. What about you guys? Let me know. Christmas music, yay or nay already? Or maybe you don't like it in general, also possible. I don't think it's going to be a super long walk today. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks on Sunday afternoon. I hope this is not copyright music, so keep on talking, Daniel. That's always the problem in Christmas time, where all the shops are playing music. And I'm like, don't do that. Ruining my video. So let's take a left here onto Drottninggatan, kind of towards Hötorget, aka Market. And I think this little spot here, which you're looking at now, this is probably the busiest spot of the whole of Sweden. I don't think there's anywhere else where it's as busy as it is here. You can check it out. Alright, what are they making here? Filming some stuff. Oh. They're drawing some flags. And then they can put some money on where they put the flag. That's quite nice. Oh, and the guy's like, oh, can you draw Pakistan? It was like, yeah, cool. See, so it's super busy here. Probably if you're from New York or like Tokyo, or you're like, this ain't busy. Well, for Stockholm standards, extremely busy. Oh, it's green. Probably goes red by the time I get here, but okay. It's quite nice for a change when it's a bit busy. I mean, in general, I prefer when it's really chill, but yeah, sometimes it's nice. But I always get surprised myself when I see this many people in Stockholm. You know, when it's the super busy, like crazy busy here, Christmas, the week before Christmas, when everyone's like, oh no, shit, I have to buy Christmas presents. Then when it gets really busy here. Like this man sitting over there in the wheelchair, over there, he is selling lottery tickets, and this guy is a true legend. He's been selling lottery tickets. You hear him at the background with his voice. I don't know, I can't remember when I last asked him. Last time I asked him must have been like 2010. I mean, and then he said he was selling lottery tickets for more than 20 years. So he's been sitting on that spot selling lottery tickets for like 30 or 40 years. It's crazy. And I asked him, like, do you never get bored? He was like, no, love it. I was like, okay, if that's your thing, man, keep on doing it. But I guess he loves the fact that people recognize him, and he's like, oh, you're the lottery ticket guy, right? Yeah. And he loves this little riddle, you know, he keeps on talking. Well, if some person understands, that should be me, because I'm talking non-stop, but anyway. Stockholm, you can see it kind of gets dark a little bit. Not too much, but I was hoping for some more street artists. Today there's not so many. What are these people doing? Oh, there's some, I don't know, what's that instrument called? Can't remember. Don't really know, sorry. I always find it hard to translate instruments into English. Alright, so I will go to Hötorget, but I'll go around there and go a little bit onto Kungsgatan. This is the classic tourist route as well. Probably meet up with Olof on Tuesday again. This should be fun. Okay, let's take a right here. Yeah, so Drottninggatan continues quite a while there, but I'm going this way. I will try to get this video up today. Today is Sunday. It depends how fast it goes on my internet and all that kind of stuff, but yeah. Let's not make the video too long. Because then the processing can take a really long time. Sometimes it takes a few hours. So now we are at the market of hay market. So no, they're not selling hay. Not right now anyway. But it is a flea market, so they're selling all kind of stuff. Oh, I can quickly have a little look. Why not? I've done a separate video on this market, but it's here every Sunday and it's really fun. If you want to see what kind of stuff Swedish people sell, then you should check this place out. It's a fun little trip. Alright, some clothes and some interior stuff. Some plates, some music, some records, like books. They all got it here. Not really food so much. They do sell some snacks, I think, somewhere. But yeah, there's basically a food court over there, so if you're hungry you can just go to that side. Okay, so I'll probably go to some carpets. I'll walk over Sergelgatan over there, which is like the shopping street kind of parallel behind Drottninggatan. Oh, if you're on a holiday and your bag breaks or your suitcase, then you can buy a new one here. 250 crowns for a small bag. That's not too big, not too bad. Yes, Sergelgatan. And I was like, it smells like Thai food here, but there's a Thai takeaway place over there. It should be fun to eat there. Getting hungry. I'm still looking for something to eat actually, because I did have pancakes earlier on, but more hungry. Ooh, Tokyo ramen. Nice. There's a queue. That's always a good sign. Like ramen noodles is something that's becoming very popular. Ooh. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do. The loyal viewers of the channel, they know exactly what I'm gonna do now. Alrighty. Got it. Then I put it on my... Yay! On my Instagram. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's walk on the score around on Instagram. Ooh, there's another funny one here. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of this as well, because I like this one actually better. Because normally it's just the gun, right? But now, oh, let's put it on. Check this out, this is fun. Anyway, enough with the pictures. Let's go back to that side. And round up the video. It's just a little shorter video today. Because it's Sunday, the day of resting. Well, for some people. And to be honest, I never really rest. Even on rest days I do so much. I actually think I do too much sometimes, but yeah, that's how it goes. So let's check and how the fountain looks today. A nice little circle around Stockholm downtown. If you have any questions about Stockholm, if you want to know anything, let me know. Hit me up. Like, leave it in the comments, at the chat, in the premiere. You can join our Facebook group. We have a Facebook group, a Facebook page, or Instagram page, whatever. If you want to know anything, or even better, if you have any suggestions about coming walks, let me know. Because I've done 520 walks by now. So yeah, if you know a place where I haven't been yet, I mean, it has to be reasonable. Why? It can be, because some people go like, oh, can you please walk in New Shopping? Yeah, I could. But first of all, it costs me money to go there. You know, a one-way ticket on the train is quite expensive. Or, a return ticket. And second of all, it's far. I have 2 kids. I have no time for that. So yeah, preferably in Stockholm. But yeah, let me know. And I'll do my best to walk there. Alrighty, anyways, this was a little Sunday walk from Stockholm. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll give you a thumbs up. And I'll see you all tomorrow on a new adventure. Bye bye.